Chapter 7 Microsoft Excel 2016 Chapter includes features of MS Excel, screen elements of Microsoft Excel 2016, changing of mouse pointer, shape, copy, and move the cell, contents. Delete cell row column, autofill, features starting, Microsoft Excel 2016, entering data, changing the cell contents, insert row column, changing row height column, width. Introduction. Microsoft Excel is one of the most popular spreadsheet software. The data is arranged in tabular form, consisting of rows and columns. It provides features and flexibility to process and present the information in desired form. It is especially useful in the areas where information requires mathematical and statistical calculations. Features of Microsoft Excel. Formulas are mainly used for performing simple and complex mathematical calculations. Functions are the built-in formulas used for calculating percentage, interest, average, etc. Formatting features improve the appearance of data. The data is automatically recalculated in the entire worksheet if any change is made in a single cell. Entering data in series using autofill option. Data can be viewed in a graphical form, such as charts, which help to understand, analyze, and compare data in an effective manner. Starting Microsoft Excel 2016. Follow the given steps to start Microsoft Excel 2016. Step 1. Click the Windows icon on left bottom corner of Windows taskbar. Step 2. Scroll down to letter E to find Excel shortcut in Start menu. Step 3. Click the Excel menu item to open Excel. The Microsoft Excel 2016 application window, which is shown below. Screen elements of Microsoft Excel 2016. Title bar. It is present at the uppermost part of the screen. It displays the name of the current document and program. It also contains minimize, maximize, and close buttons. Quick access toolbar. It is a part of the title bar and helps us to perform common tasks with a single click. Ribbon. It contains two parts, tabs and groups. Each tab consists of commands arranged in different groups. Sheet tab. It contains the name of the worksheet in bold letters. You can move from one sheet to another by clicking on its tab. Status bar. It shows the current position of cells and the zoom option. Workbook and worksheet. In Excel, the collection of worksheet is called workbook. It is like a notebook having number of pages in it. Each new workbook by default has 3 worksheets. A worksheet is a grid of rows and columns, also known as spreadsheet. They are visible at the bottom left of the workbook window with the name of Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. A worksheet is made up of horizontal rows, vertical columns and cells. Worksheets are used to feed information in it. More worksheets can be added as it is required. Rows. A horizontal group of cells within a worksheet is known as row. Each row has a heading number ranging from 1 to 10, 485, 76. Columns. A vertical group of cells within a worksheet is known as column. Each column has an alphabetical heading from A, B, C, and continuing up to X, Y, Z. Each worksheet consists 384 columns in it. Cell. The intersection of row and column is known as cell. Every cell in MS Excel has a cell address formed by the combination of column name and row number. Cell pointer. The cell pointer is the highlighted cell boundary that shows the current cell in use. It is also called active cell or selected cell. Entering data. Sheet area is the area where you type your text. The flashing vertical bar is called the insertion point, and it represents the location where text will appear after typing. When you click on a box, then box becomes highlighted. Follow the given steps to enter text and numbers. Step 1. Click on a cell to select it. Step 2. Enter content into the selected cell using keyboard. The content appears in the cell and in the formula bar. You can also enter or edit cell content from the formula bar. Facts.com. There are following 3 important points which would help you while typing. Press Tab to go to next column. Press Enter to go to next row. Press Alt plus Enter to enter a new line in the same cell. Step 3. Arrow tab and Enter keys are used to move in the required direction. Changing of mouse pointer shape. In Microsoft Word, MS Excel window, mouse pointer changes at different locations. Mouse pointer becomes arrow-shaped when we place it on menu bars. Mouse pointer shows hollow plus sign when it is in any cell. Mouse pointer become I-beam pointer when we position it on formula bar and indicates that you can enter any value now. Mouse pointer becomes double-headed arrow when it is placed between the column headers and row headers to increase-decrease the column width and row height. Mouse pointer becomes pointing arrow when we place it between the cell headers to select entire row or to select entire column. Different types of data entered in Microsoft Excel. Following types of data can be entered in MS Excel window. Text data, numeric data, entering simple formula. Text data. Text data includes alphabets, A to Z and A to Z, numbers, space, between numbers, and special characters like underscore, brackets, etc. If you enter text data, it is displayed in the cell as well as in formula bar. If the text is longer than the cell, then you can press Alt plus Enter key simultaneously to enter in next line in the same cell. Numeric data. The numbers from 0 to 9 and symbols plus, minus, $%, text can be entered into cell. If there are large digits entered in a single cell, then you can see all the digits in formula bar. Entering simple formula. Formula A are the equations that perform calculations on values in our worksheet. It contains the coordinates of the cells that are used in the formula, operator and functions. In Microsoft Excel, a formula always starts with an equal sign. When a formula is entered, the cell displays the respective result of the formula. Undo command. This command is used to quickly reverse the changes on the last action performed in editing, formatting, and other action. Steps to use undo command. Click on Undo command option on Quick Access toolbar or press Ctrl plus Z key simultaneously. This command is used to reverse the action of undo command. Redo command. Step to use redo command. Click on Redo command option on Quick Access toolbar or press Ctrl plus Y key simultaneously. Facts.com. Undo and redo commands would not work if you press Enter key twice. Changing the cell contents. Type the following data in your worksheet. After typing the data, it is possible to change or replace the cell content. Suppose click on C9 cell and type 18, then cell content will be replaced by 18 instead of 12. Or you can also change or replace the cell content from formula bar by clicking the required cell or selecting the cell. Then click on formula bar. The cell contents will be displayed in formula bar. Now you can change the contents directly. Copy and move the cell contents. We can copy or move the cell contents by two ways. 1. Using the cut, copy and paste option. 2. Using mouse cursor. Using cut, copy and paste option. By using the cut, copy and paste commands, we can copy or move the cell contents from one place to another as we use these commands in Microsoft Word. Follow the given steps to copy and move cell contents. Step 1. Select the cell to be copied, moved. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Select Copy or Cut option from Clipboard group. Step 4. Place the cursor where you want your cell contents to be copied, moved. Step 5. Click on Paste option from Home tab. Using mouse cursor, follow the given steps to copy and move cell contents. Step 1. Select the cells to be copied. Step 2. Place the cursor anywhere around the border of the selected cells, except on the lower right corner. Shape of the cursor will be changed to four-headed arrow with an arrow. Step 3. Click and drag the cursor to the blank cells to move the contents. Place the mouse pointer in the border of selection. Selected cells move to new places. To copy the content, press Ctrl key. Four-headed arrow with an arrow will change to an arrow with plus sign. Now click and drag the cursor to the blank cell. Step 4. As soon as you release the mouse buttons, contents will be copied or moved to the destination cell. Selected cells copied to new places. Copy only the format formula. The format formula can be copied by using following steps. Step 1. Select the range or cells to copy. Step 2. Click on Copy command from Home tab, or press Ctrl+C key. Step 3. Move the pointer at position where you want to copy. Step 4. Now click on Paste Special option from Paste option under Home tab. Step 5. Choose Formula option to paste formula, or choose Formats option to paste format. Step 6. Now click on OK button. The format formula will be copied. Insert row column. Insert row. Follow the given steps to insert rows. Step 1. Click on row or anywhere you want in the cell. Step 2. Go to Home tab, Cells group. Step 3. Click on the Insert option. Step 4. Select the Insert Sheet rows. Step 5. A new row will be inserted above the selected row. Insert column. Follow the given steps to insert column. Step 1. Select the cell or column where you want to insert new column. Step 2. Go to Home tab, Cells group. Step 3. Click on the Insert option. Step 4. Click on Insert Sheet column option. Step 5. A new blank column will be inserted on left side of selected column. New blank column is always added or inserted on the left side of selected column. Delete cell/row/column. Delete cell. Follow the given steps to delete cell. Step 1. Select the range or cell that required to be deleted. Step 2. Go to Home tab, Cells group. Step 3. Click on the Delete option. Step 4. Click on the Delete Cells option from the list. Step 5. Select the required option from the dialog box. Step 6. Click on the OK button. Delete rows or columns. Follow the given steps to delete rows or columns. Step 1. Select the row/columns that needs to be deleted. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the Delete option from the Cells group. Then 4 options will appear: Delete cells, Delete sheet rows, Delete sheet columns, and Delete sheet. Step 4. Click on the Delete sheet rows option to delete a row or Delete sheet columns option to delete a columns. Changing row height/column width. We can change row height or column width with the help of mouse cursor and Format menu. Changing row height using mouse cursor. Follow the given steps to change the row height by using mouse cursor. Step 1. Put the mouse cursor on row header to increase or decrease row height. Mouse cursor will be converted to a shape. Step 2. Now drag the mouse cursor upward or downward to increase or decrease the row height. Step 3. Release the mouse button after reaching the desired row height. Changing row height using Format menu. Follow the given steps to change the row height by using Format menu. Step 1. Select the row to increase/decrease its height. Step 2. Go to Home tab, Cells group. Step 3. Click on the Format option. A sub-menu will be there with options under the group head: Cell size, visibility, organize sheets, and protection. Step 4. Click on Row height option. Row height dialog box will appear. Step 5. Enter the height in the box. Step 6. Click on OK button. The selected row height will be changed. The default row height in Microsoft Excel 2016 is 15. Changing column width using mouse cursor. Follow the given steps to change column width by using mouse cursor. Step 1. Put your mouse cursor on the right side of column header to which you want to alter the width. The cursor will be changed into shape. Step 2. Drag the cursor left or right side to increase or decrease column width. Step 3. Release the mouse button after reaching the desired column width. To change column width using Format menu. Step 1. Select the column to increase/decrease column width. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click on the Format option from the Cells group. Step 4. Click on Column width option. Column width dialog box will appear. Step 5. Enter the width in the box. Step 6. Click on OK button. The width of the column will be changed. The default column width in MS Excel in 8.4 Autofill feature. Autofill feature of MS Excel allows you to fill data in cells automatically. When you do need a series of consecutive numbers, weekdays, months, etc., then Autofill feature lets you enter a predefined series of data or value. Follow the given steps to use Autofill feature. Step 1. Type Monday in A1 cell. Step 2. Type Tuesday in A2 cell. Step 3. Now select both the cells A1 to A2. Step 4. Move the cursor to small black square at the lower right corner of the cell. The shape of the cursor will change to a thin black plus sign, plus. Step 5. Now hold and drag the cursor down next 5 cells, that is till A7. Step 6. The weekdays from Wednesday to Sunday will appear in the cells. Similarly, you can do same with the number. For example, you can easily find the table of 13 points. Microsoft Excel is one of the component of Microsoft Office, and spreadsheets workbooks are the files in which data is fed. The working area of spreadsheet consists of rows and columns. Quick Access Toolbar is a part of the title bar and helps us to perform common tasks with a single click. Mouse pointer changes at different locations. It has many shapes such as arrow-shaped, hollow plus sign, I-beam pointer, double-headed arrow, and pointing arrow. Worksheet is made up of horizontal rows, vertical columns, and cells. Undo command is used to quickly reverse the changes the last action performed. Redo command is used to repeat the action or it reverses the undo command. Select cell contents, then press Ctrl plus C, then place cursor to new position and press Ctrl plus V to paste it. Autofill feature is an important and easiest method to fill the cell contents automatically.